Thanks for this opportunity. Yeah, I'm the Vice President of Fiber Optic Gyro and OEM Sales at KVH Industries. Without going into too much detail, KVH manufactures a line of fiber optic gyros that are used in a wide variety of applications, and the gyros themselves are primarily used for pointing and stabilizing payloads. So think of a gun system or a camera system on a moving vehicle that needs to be pointed and stabilized while that vehicle is moving. Now that could be a ground vehicle, it could be a surface vehicle, subsurface, or it could even be an aviation asset. Again, primarily for pointing and stabilizing payloads like antennas, radar, guns, things like that. So the gyros themselves are fantastic for that because they've got very low drift, low noise, extremely low noise, and very high bandwidth. And that's exactly what you're looking for in a stabilization and pointing system. So an example of one of our gyros is this product right here. This is a DSP 1750 fiber optic gyro. It's a single axis gyro. And again, it's going to measure rotation and motion, spit out some very, very accurate information to a counteracting mechanism like a servo that can keep your payload pointed and stabilized. So what we've done is taken this engine, this little gyro engine, and incorporated into a line of fiber optic gyro inertial measurement units. So within this package, we have 3 of the fiber optic gyros integrated with 3 accelerometers. So now you're measuring 6 degrees of freedom. This is, again, an extremely accurate device, relatively low cost, and rather than do one grade of inertial measurement unit, we've actually today announced a entry-level, lower performing but still fiber optic gyro performance range fiber optic gyro IMU. The mid-range of our line, which we call the 1750 IMU, has been out for about 2 years. And at the high end, we've introduced the 1775 IMU, the difference being drift rates or bias instability, as well as some additional incorporated sensors in the 1775 IMU. Specifically, we've added some magnetometers for magnetic field compensation within this product, and we've improved the signal processing for much lower data latency and throughput of data. So that's a little brief summary about KVH and some of our newest products, and I thank you again for the opportunity, Art.